even what we normally call as negative emotions or uncomfortable feelings
Yeah,
are very much part of being human.
exactly.
Right? We would not have survived, and evolution has brought us to become the most dominant species on the planet,
Yeah.
which includes fear, which includes anxiety. Right? Fear is a signal that there is danger.
Yeah,
If we don't fear danger, if we don't feel fear, if we don't experience danger, we would all kill ourselves by
Yeah.
something or the other, right? So all of these emotions which feel uncomfortable have had a huge role to play in our evolution as a species.
Yeah.
So nothing is negative, right? It's all part of being human. Once you realize that, that takes away the weight of it, that takes away the judgment out of it, and you see that, okay, I am blaming myself, or I am feeling guilt, or I am feeling shame. Now, how do I deal with that without again tiling up one emotion over another, right? So we feel angry, and then we feel bad about being angry, and then we feel guilt about that,
Yeah.
right? So you see how emotions pile up, and all of these negative emotions, if we stop calling them negative, the piling up will actually stop.
Yeah.
So sometimes you have to peel down layers, but the layers can itself be reduced if we don't pile up over one another, and if we are really open, right? I am angry, I'm scared, there's nothing bad about it.
Yeah.
There's nothing wrong about it. And from an organizational perspective, can we create a space? We talk about diversity.
Mm.
So we talk about diversity in the kind of people, we talk about diversity of opinions, but we don't talk about diversity of emotions.
Yeah.
Can we create a space which is diverse and inclusive enough that people can come in and say, I am scared, I don't know what to do,
Yeah.
right? I'm losing control, right? I am feeling tremendous anxiety. And as leaders, can we create a space to include all of that, which will actually make it easier for those emotions to be processed, to be dealt with, because they are part of being human.
Yeah, exactly. If the space doesn't allow for that, then people will internalize, and that will lead to anxiety. And I mean, you have a different ways of how it will show itself, right? In their work, or in how they communicate with others, or even in their personal life, right? It bleeds through your personal life, your work-life balance anyway. I like that we should have a space that is open enough to discuss these things.